In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Etsy on your laptop, specifically tailored for beginners. Whether you're a seasoned shopper on Etsy or you're just getting started with exploring this wonderful platform, logging into your account is the very first step you need to take to get the most out of your Etsy experience. Now, if you're ready to start exploring or making purchases from all those charming handmade and unique items Etsy has to offer, let's dive right in and guide you through the login process so you can get started without any hassle. Firstly, open your preferred web browser on your laptop and navigate to the website by typing etsy.com into the address bar. Press enter, and in a moment, you'll find yourself on the colorful, inviting homepage of Etsy. This is where your journey into the world of crafts and unique finds begins. Once the Etsy homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you will see a link that says Sign In. It's usually highlighted to grab your attention, aiming to make the sign-in process as intuitive as possible. Click on this Sign In link, and it will direct you to the next step in accessing your personal Etsy account. On this new page, you will encounter two essential fields that you need to fill out in order to log into your account: your email address and your password. Carefully enter the email address you provided during the registration process with Etsy. If you encounter any issues recalling this email, you might want to search your inbox for any prior communications from Etsy to ensure you enter the correct email. After that, move on to the password field. Ensure that you enter the correct password associated with your Etsy account. Since passwords are case-sensitive, it's important to make sure your caps lock key isn't accidentally turned on if you're having issues. After you've confidently entered your email and password, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. This action acts as the digital key to unlock your personalized Etsy space. As long as your credentials are correct, you'll be smoothly transitioned into your account interface. Here you can start exploring the thousands of creative vendors and products, track any orders you might have made, or manage your personal details in the settings. And that's it. You're now successfully logged into Etsy on your laptop. By following these simple steps, you've set the stage for a great shopping or selling experience on one of the internet's most beloved craft marketplaces. Should you ever encounter issues while signing in, remember, help is usually just a click away. Etsy provides support options that can guide you through forgotten passwords or other technical troubles. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.